Surround yourself with nature's peace and quiet in this stunning mountain retreat located in a park-like setting at Swiss Village. Convenient to the shops and bookstore in Little Switzerland and minutes to the Blue Ridge Parkway that offers hiking, biking, and waterfalls. Simply just move into this immaculately maintained home to get away from it all. You'll never want to leave. The inviting light-filled open floor plan flows effortlessly with large windows and sliding glass doors to welcome mountain breezes and stunning vistas. The spacious great room, dining room, and kitchen are just steps from the relaxing outdoor raised covered deck. The main floor also offers a large laundry room, a study nook, a powder room, and the oversized double garage. The ensuite bedroom is located on the main floor and has its own access to the covered deck. It has a large walk-in closet, double vanities, jetted soaking tub, and a separate shower. Downstairs is a family room with game area, full kitchen with beautiful countrywide cabinets, 2 full bathrooms, and 2 bedrooms. amazing property is approximately a 1-hour drive from Asheville and the Boone Blowing Rock area. The Charlotte International Airport is within a 2-hour drive. Escape to the mountains. Call today for your showing.